What's up, people? So we're at the chiropractor. Already finished. My neck cracked really loud. He really got it in both ways. Well, at least I think he got it in. I can't tell. It still feels messed up anyway. But and then she got hers in too. Never really know how if it actually worked or not.
Yeah.
What did he say?
He said no, it's okay.
Okay, so we're not going to Walmart.
Not really. I feel really. Ow.
What?
I feel.
So I guess this was all we're doing today. And tomorrow is finally getting haircuts. And then Walmart. Oh. So I have no idea what to film. Because I'm extremely tired.
You're not going to bed.
Yeah.
No.
Why? I actually think I feel the best today. Even though I'm really tired, I don't have any of the other feelings.
Good.
Or the anxiety feelings much. So that's good. Because I didn't get any type of nervous for here, for the chiropractor, like I did for the dentist cleaning.
That's good. Oh, poop.
Oh, I also found out that I can't move my arms back far the way that I used to. And I moved them, like when I move them back to stretch, I definitely felt it right around here in the chest area. So I could actually feel all the muscles going through the chest.
So that is a muscle.
Some of it, yeah. Well, I mean, the chest pressure feeling, yes. You know.
I told you. I don't know how.
But that still doesn't explain the stomach.
Yeah, I know, but you're tightening up so much. Like,
I know.
It's pathetic, really.
But how do you explain the stomach?
Hell?
What? What?
I lost my sunglasses.
How do you still explain the stomach, though?
Well, like I said, with anxiety, it will cause it.
Right, but what about when I first wake up and I burp?
You got air in there. I know you got Bill. I don't know how you get.
But how do you get air in there unless there's a hole somewhere in my gut? It's going through my belly button or something. You never know. No, but seriously, it's got to be something.
Yeah, I know, because it still burns. You still burp up and you take omeprazole. I don't know why that happens. Like once in a while, yeah, but not every day. What's that say for $2?
We'll find out. What?
Chamois dry.
Chamois dry.
What the hell's a chamois dry?
Chamois dry's $2.
Okay, but what is that?
I don't know. It says car wash is $5.
What's a chamois? Oh, one of those little, oh, not a ShamWow thing, a cloth. Remember those, that crazy guy in the commercial on TV? Oh, buy this ShamWow. Remember?
Yeah. The camera wants to focus on the dirt on the windshield instead of the actual things.
And that's not dirt, that's all that dust. Somewhere, I don't know.
Isn't that what dirt is? Pretty much.
Depends.
Animal clinics over there.
There is no
and
walk-in.
pet grooming. Oh, it says no walk-in?
It doesn't say no walk-in, but it doesn't say walk-in. Hello.
Yeah, so I guess we're not doing nothing else. I'll probably film the Loot Crate video though, huh?
That took a lot out of me.
I don't know what else to say. So that's what a Chase Bank looks like, completely abandoned. It just became abandoned.
Yeah. Now I gotta go all the way to freaking Spring Hill just to get one bank.
Yep. because there's absolutely no ATMs anywhere here in this town. So you gotta go all the way to the next town to a bank. Yeah.
That's really good.
I don't get it either because they had a lot of people that kept going in, so I don't know.
So move it so they can piss everybody off.
Okay, so I figured the possums would eat this, but now it looks like a mess. I forgot to put this food in the garbage. So I put it here for the possums to eat last night, and they didn't. But as you can see, the ants like it, and you can actually see they're eating the potato here. They really love the potato here. Look at that. But if you actually watch them, they walk away with pieces of food in their mouth. See, he has a piece of potato in his mouth right now. Oh, they're going right through there, huh? Huh? Why? Look at them all. Huh. Keeps them away from the cat food, though.
Why?
I don't know.
This is what it does. Or it'll start out with the complete signal loss. And I shut it off by the box. I'll hold it and do that. That'll like that.
Huh.
And then it'll finally get the little box. It's saying it quiet and finally freaking load it.
You want me to check the satellite out there, make sure nothing's blocking it?
Yeah, I was wondering.
Oh, my neck.
If some of the leaves grew and it starts to bug it.
Oh, my neck.
Oh, my big old.
Okay.
Big old chicken took a shit.
Not sure if that's how it works, but like the last I knew, as long as that could reach that without anything blocking it, it's fine. But I would assume that since the dish is pointing that way, this is blocking it, correct? I'm going to try to move it a little bit. We don't really have nothing to cut it though. I completely forgot to film after that. I took the one branch down and stuff. And then their kid started talking to me. He's like 4 years old maybe. And I don't really know what to say to him. He's the one that likes to talk to strangers, which isn't good. They haven't taught him stranger danger. Anyway, I forgot to end the video, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.